Hello there, and welcome to another episode of Ask the Italian Lawyer, presented by ItalianCitizenshipassistance.com as well as ItalianRealEstateLawyers.com. Of course, we are back at it again with Italian attorney Marco Permunian. And in this week's episode, I wanted to ask Marco about Italian healthcare. For an Italian citizen who lives outside of Italy, are they able to have access to the Italian healthcare system and Italian healthcare coverage?
If you're an Italian citizen residing outside of Italy and outside of the EU, you won't have coverage, meaning that in order to be covered by the Italian healthcare system for your daily needs, you will need to be a resident of Italy, meaning that you will need to establish your residency from a legal standpoint in the country. However, if you're just visiting Italy temporarily, you can apply for temporary coverage. And this helps to clarify a misconception that if you are an Italian citizen, you are automatically covered by the Italian healthcare system under any circumstances, but there are actually very precise rules that need to be followed if you are an Italian citizen residing abroad regarding your coverage abroad and regarding your coverage while you are visiting Italy temporarily. However, if you are an Italian citizen going to live in another European country, then you can apply for coverage in that European country, meaning that your coverage will depend on that specific European country where you go live in, because there are specific agreements in place between the different European countries. And in some countries, an Italian citizen may have full coverage offered by the healthcare system of that country, while in other cases, it will be necessary to pay to access the healthcare in that specific country.
Well, thank you so much, Marco, for going into this topic and for shedding light on if it is possible to have healthcare coverage as an Italian citizen outside of Italy under the Italian system. Of course, for more information like this, be sure that you're subscribed to this YouTube channel for episodes of Ask the Italian Lawyer, the Italian Citizenship Podcast, and the Italian Real Estate Podcast. Of course, again, though, we have been here with Italian attorney Marco Permunian from ItalianCitizenshipassistance.com as well as ItalianRealEstateLawyers.com. I'm Rafael Di Furia. Stay safe and healthy out there, and we'll see you for the next episode of Ask the Italian Lawyer. Thank you.
Thank you.